Hello everyone, welcome back to Discovery Rico channel. My name is Rico and today I want to share a simple tutorial on how to turn your messy background into a black plain background. So here I have prepared a photo of a flower that I captured on my front yard of my house. So without any further ado, let's jump to the editing session. Here you can click on the tool which is symbolized by a pencil, and then all you need to do is go to the selective tools and you only need to put a point wherever you want on the background. So for example, if I put a point here, you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, and the structure of the area that gets affected. And the great things about this tool is that if you put a point, the software will automatically recognize the surrounding area that gets affected by its color or maybe its level of exposure. So as you can see here, the affected area is the one that is colored by green and it has a higher level of exposure than the rest of the background. So here I will decrease the structure to reduce the noise and then also reduce the brightness. So it's pretty simple. So Snapseed is a very easy app to use. To scale up or to scale down the area that get affected by the tools, all you need to do is to pinch your fingers. And then to decrease the amount of brightness, structures, and other adjustment, all you need to do is to swipe to the left, and if you want to increase the amount, you only need to swipe it to the right. And now you can put another point and do the same thing that you have done on the previous point. So if you have reached the limit of the selective tools, click on the tick icon and repeat the same action that we have did before we edit this photo. So as you can see right now, the background of this photo is mostly covered by black, but I redo the same action to fix some area that could be a distraction to this photo. And to make it look more natural, I usually use the brush tool. So let's choose on the exposure brush and let's change the exposure from 0.7 to -1. Because this area look kind of fake, we can remove it so the audience eye won't get distracted by this area. Okay, and let's click on the tick icon and repeat the same action by clicking on the brush tool to remove the area that hasn't been erased. Make it to -1. Okay, so now it looks better. So now we have done transforming that messy background into a black plain background. And now let's crop the picture so it looks more focused on the flower. Let's turn this photo into a square photo. And we have done. I know this is a very simple tutorial, but some of you may be wondering why I didn't use the magnetic lasso tool on Photoshop. You only need to remove the flower into a black background. Well, you can try it by yourself, but in my experience, by using the magnetic lasso tool to remove the flower from that messy background and then paste it on the black background, it would be look kind of fake. So by using the selective tool on Snapseed, it will be more natural and better on my opinion. So that's all from this video. If you have any suggestion or request for the next video, you can leave it on the comment down below. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. You can also follow my Instagram @RicoRes if you want to see my macro photos, and @DiscoveryCo for my travel photography. And if you would like to see my upcoming videos, consider subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.